Hello friends, in front of me Miss Muskan Bansalji is sitting. She had appeared for July 21 exam. She cleared her inter exam and now she is in CA final. Not only that, she took classes from me for inter FM and eco. She scored highest marks in her group for that paper. She scored exemptions in FM eco and inter. Many students are scoring exemptions, and even in this attempt my students secured all India rank 1 in CA Inter, Mr. Arjun. So lots of scope is there in finance career. The paper is also very scoring. We want to ask Miss Muskan how she managed to score such a good marks in FMECO, what approach she followed, and how she liked the classes which she took from me, and what was the practical aspect of the class, stock market, motivation aspect, the notes which we have given you for revision before exam, all the things, so that other can also be taking the same approach and be successful. You have achieved such a success, and definitely in future you will be achieving much more success, and you can definitely say your approach, say your study techniques, other can also follow.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for all the wishes. And I like to say that on the very first day of the class, sir taught us how to trade in stock market, which makes him very unique. His studies is almost very practicable. We can connect to real life situations. He also taught us about the companies like Infosys and Tata, so that we can connect to the finance news which are going on right now. And also, like, he used to help us to make concept register, which was very helpful to me to revise just whole of the syllabus just one day before the exam. And also, his theory book is the best. I totally relied upon his theory book only. Eco numericals I solved only from his book only. I think it was very helpful for me to score exemption because of that, because I didn't have to go through various sources to solve numericals or to read theory. Because if you'll see the study mat of ICI, the theory there is like very bulky. So sir's notes is very crisp to refer, and it has highlighted the main key points which we need to utter in the exam, which fetches us the marks. So I like to thank him again. And through the classes also, he maintained a positive environment. He always used to make us believe that it is possible to score 100% marks in FM. So I think the motivation aspect from him was very important, that there was someone who keeps faith in us and we can score good marks. So I like to thank the sir. It was only possible because of him that I scored exemption.
Thank you so much, Muskan, for such a nice words. Definitely, you liked the class and you liked the approach and you followed the guidance. That's why you are so successful. Friends, I just want to say that whatever course you are doing, whether it is CA, CS, CMA, CFA, you need to have a proper guidance, and you need to be positive that if anyone can do, I can also do. This attitude will definitely make you successful in life. Follow the right approach, choose the right mentor, and choose the proper guidance. Nothing is difficult. Your path will be as simple as any other course. Definitely, you need to work hard, but a proper guidance will definitely make your path easy. Thank you so much, friends. Stay connected and always be happy, because ultimately the purpose of life is to be happy. Thanks.